Do you know which is the largest part of the human body? Skin is the external part of vertebrates, which is actually a soft covering and covers the body. It protects the internal parts of animals. It is the largest organ in the human body. I am going to show that in this video. Why skincare is important. Does skincare really work? Which skincare is best for anti-aging? So, it's not too late. Let's get started. Why skincare is important. Skincare is important for several reasons. Protection. Your skin acts as a barrier between your body and the external environment, protecting you from harmful elements such as UV radiation, pollution, and bacteria. Hydration. Proper skincare helps to keep your skin hydrated and prevent it from becoming dry, flaky, or itchy. This is important because dry skin can lead to a number of problems, including premature aging, inflammation, and even infections. Anti-aging. Regular skincare can help to slow down the signs of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. This is because many skincare products contain antioxidants, which help to fight off free radicals that damage skin cells. Confidence. Taking care of your skin can boost your confidence and self-esteem. When your skin looks and feels healthy, you are more likely to feel good about yourself and project that confidence to others. Overall, skincare is important not only for the health of your skin but also for your overall well-being. A good skincare routine can help you maintain a youthful, radiant complexion and protect your skin from damage. Does skincare really work? Yes, skincare can really work when done correctly and consistently. There are many different types of skincare products available, and each one is designed to address specific skin concerns such as acne, dryness, aging, and hyperpigmentation. The effectiveness of a skincare routine depends on several factors, including quality of the products. Using high-quality, well-formulated products with the right ingredients can make a significant difference in the appearance and health of your skin. Consistency. Consistently using skincare products as directed can help to improve your skin's condition over time. Individual factors. Everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to pay attention to your skin's individual needs and adjust your routine accordingly. In addition to topical skincare products, other factors such as lifestyle habits, example, diet, exercise, stress management, genetics, and environmental factors can also play a role in the health and appearance of your skin. Overall, if you choose the right products, use them consistently, and pay attention to your skin's individual needs, skincare can be an effective way to improve the health and appearance of your skin. Which skincare is best for anti-aging? There are several types of skincare products and ingredients that are effective for anti-aging. Here are some of the best options. Retinoids. Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A and are highly effective at reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. They work by increasing cell turnover and stimulating collagen production, which helps to improve skin texture and firmness. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the skin from free radical damage, which can contribute to aging. It also helps to brighten the skin and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid. This is a humectant that helps to attract and retain moisture in the skin, which can help to plump up fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture. Peptides. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that can help to stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Sunscreen. Sun damage is one of the primary causes of aging, so it's important to wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day to protect your skin from UV radiation. In addition to using these types of products, it's also important to practice good skincare habits, such as cleansing and moisturizing regularly, getting enough sleep, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. It's important to note that not all products work for everyone, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's best to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to determine the best anti-aging skincare routine for your individual needs. We hope you enjoyed, and please leave like and comment on this video, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new awesome videos. Thank you so much.